Introduction. Do you struggle to lose weight, or would you like to lose weight faster? If you've answered yes to either or both of these questions, then congratulations! You've come to the right place. The sad truth is that the conventional idea of eating less and exercising more doesn't work in the long term. Counting calories, exercising for hours every day, and trying to ignore your hunger? That's needless suffering that wastes your precious time and energy and also depletes your willpower. Eventually, almost everyone gives up. That's why we have an obesity epidemic. Fortunately, there's a better way. Get ready for effortless weight loss because everything you've been told about weight loss is wrong. It's not about calories. It's not about exercise. In fact, the answer to weight loss is really very simple. The bottom line? Your weight is hormonally regulated. All that's needed to ensure weight loss success is a step-by-step approach towards reducing your fat-storing hormone, insulin. This course offers you just that.